Gold and silver traded in a no trade zone so far. We have seen a struggle in gold prices at 33.34, the level which we had discussed few hours back in our Asia and Europe session update. That should offer a good resistance. We have seen a struggle at the same zone, while on the upside 33.44.46 has offered it a good resistance. Likewise with silver, it is yet to break beyond the critical milestone at 38.20.30, while on the downside 38.80, 37.80 offered it a very good support. So what to expect now with the US session from gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, gold on the hourly charts. Clearly, it has formed a very good support here at this zone. Twice it has tried to breach below 33.30, failing to do so. You can see yesterday we have seen it creating the lows at 33.24, today at around 33.26. Yet to break below this zone, that is very critical now for gold, that is 33.30, 33.20. Next thing to observe here is the lower highs it is creating here. And thus on the upside 33.50, 33.60 is a very crucial milestone for gold to break beyond. Now, another point to note here is look at the support it is created here. Very strong support is created, and if you divide this into two, it appears it is trying to create a symmetry. See, reverse inverse move here. I'll just wait for it to trade now beyond 33.46, beyond which you can expect 33.50.50 to 33.58.60. Any move beyond 33.60 should be a good indication for further bullishness, but I'm still not so confident for such a stronger rise. See, it is after the drop, it is trading under this retracement, and now a drop below 33.34 and 33.30 should confirm more bearishness here. Stochastic rising, MACD, RSI both are rising here. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, after creating the base, we have seen a good rise. Now let it trade lower, let it trade below 33.34 and 33.30 zone, which will invite more bears. Else, right now it is consolidating in a very, very narrow zone. Yes, I do see this as also a squeeze here. Yes, this has to come out of this squeeze in order to confirm a direction. Moving averages, trading bearish, stochastic rising. MACD, if you look at, see, after consolidating, this is crossed over. This is a supportive sign for further bullishness. The RSI is placed comfortably on the 3-hour charts, and you see now on the 3-hour charts, notice one point. See, higher lows are consistently created, higher highs are seen. Just let it stay below 33.34 and 33.30 zone. Very crucial support levels are existing here. As long as this zone is not taken, you should not be treating gold as bearish. This is pretty clear. Also, if you divide this into two, you can see the symmetry here, and thus a move beyond 33.46 and 33.50.52 should take it all the way towards 33.58.60, and then beyond that it might show bullishness. The moving averages here are trading bearish here. Stochastic back to overbought zone. The MACD crossed over, trading bullish. The RSI is rising here. On the 4-hour charts, when you similar observation here, and yes, it is consolidating in a zone. Wait for a breakout, support is created, the resistances are there. Remember again, 33.34, 33.30, very good support zone exists here. On the upside, 33.46 the first, 33.50.52 the next. Be careful here. Till 33.50.52 it can possibly U-turn, take a U-turn. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness here. Stochastic rising, MACD after hitting the bottom has crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is flat. Coming to daily, now let me show you something on the daily chart. See, first look at the drop here. First, let's have a look at a broader term. On a broader term, you can find out how gold has been trading: rise, retracement, higher lows, lower highs. This is a clear consolidation zone. The top here is at around 3400 zone, the lows here at around 3300 zone. It has to come out of this squeeze zone. Thus, a drop below 32.80 and a move beyond 34.20, 34.40 should confirm a reversal. That is a breakout on the upside or a breakdown here. So this is a long-term perspective. But when you look at today's candle, see, first, see, it is given a breakout here. This is the reversal, first bearish candle, then second bearish candle after retracement. So ideally it has to continue with this trend here, but what's happening, it is just consolidating here. Look at the swings it has created, look at the support it has created. None of the candles closing below 3330. So now we have to wait for it to take a direction. Stochastic oversold trying to recover, the MACD trading bearish here, and the RSI is flat. So considering this, now before I provide you the trading levels here, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're looking forward to just trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for any of your queries. Write an email, ping me or Telegram. And those looking forward to just trade as per the signals should also join the signals channel. And if you are looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. You can do here, you can buy at 33.46, expect 50.52 at the first resistance, 33.58.60 at the next. And beyond this, ideally it has to move towards 33.70 and 33.84 levels. If these levels are taken, it is a reversal. You can expect 3400. I am not expecting it to break 3400 any point of time soon, but this is my expectation. Markets do not run as per my expectation. Remember this fact. And hence you have to just exercise caution as in how it trades bullish. Possibility of a reversal will increase here till 33.58.60. The chances of reversal will be very, very high. While on the sell side, I will recommend a selling entry at 33.34. Expect 33.30.28 as the first target, 33.20 as the next, and if it trades below 33.20, stay bearish for 33.08, 3300, and then 32.80. Any drop below 32.80 is an invitation for a greater correction here towards 3200 possibly. Trade accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see the drop here, and since the drop, what has happened? A little retracement, then a bigger drop and a retracement. So yes, it has come down towards the resistance zone. Very, very important for silver to trade beyond 38.20, 38.30 zone. That will confirm the bullishness here. As long as 38.20, 30 zone is not taken, you should be careful with the buys. I see that it is possibly seen the highs, and a downtrend from the current levels cannot be denied. Now, on the downside, very, very important for silver to trade below 37.80, the key support zone here. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over here, trading with moderate bullishness, RSI flat here. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, see it has created a very strong support now at 37.80-90 zone. Also, I see this as a twin top. Just let it stay. Even if you see the higher price below 38, you can take a sell, but this is a riskier bet. Till 37.80 is not taken, because see, such a strong support it is created at 37.80, and hence bearishness will only prevail if you see it is staying below 37.80. Stochastic rising, the MACD crossed over here, trading with moderate bullishness, RSI flat. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. One bearish candle, 3 candles it took to erase the losses from this candle, and now trying to take a direction. Even if you see it is staying below 38, we can expect slight bearishness. Stochastic rising here, the MACD is also crossed over, trading with moderate, RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4 hour, similar is the observation, waiting for a breakout here, and yes, a move beyond 38.20, 30 should confirm the bullishness here. Notice it has formed a very good support, and also I do see this as potential higher lows and higher highs, and this is trading in this moderate channel. Any move beyond 38.60, the next resistance zone, you can say now this is the time for a rally towards 38, 39. Stochastic rising here, the MACD is willing to converge crossover, RSI flat. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts what's happening. 20 period is offering it a very, very good support. Prices need to trade below 20 period. See this move, rise, retracement, then rise, retracement, and see it is consolidating. Today what has happened, it has formed a double bottom, and now it is trying to show a pullback. Now it might turn green. However, I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 38, 20, 30 levels. Beyond this, expect it to move towards 38, 50, 60, and if that is taken, then 38, 85. Beyond 38, 85 is where we can confirm the breakout move. As I will say, be cautious. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD is staying flat here, and the RSI is flat. So considering this, what you can do, see, first is where you can buy, although I will say 38, 20, 30 should offer it a very, very good resistance here. If this is taken, you can stay bullish for 38.50, 38.60, the next milestone. If this is taken, then stay bullish for 38.85. Remember, any move beyond 38.85 should confirm a breakout here. 39.60, 40 should be there very soon. Chances for this appears less, at least today. On the downside, a possible selling entry can be taken here at 38. When you see the higher price below 38, take a sell, but be cautious here till 37.80. This zone is critical here. Below 37.80 is where we can see bearishness prevailing, expected to move towards 37.50, 40, and if that is taken, then 37 should be there very soon, and below 37 is 36.50. So let's wait for it to take a direction. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Was that as well. Thank you.